In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a meeting agenda in Microsoft Teams. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. The first step is to open the Microsoft Teams application on your desktop or Android device. Microsoft Teams is an excellent tool for managing meetings and collaborating with your team, so you'll want to ensure it's launched and ready to go. Once you have the app open, look at the left side of the application interface. You should see several icons, one of which is a calendar. Go ahead and click on that calendar icon. This will take you to the calendar view where you can schedule your meeting. Now, locate the specific date on the calendar that aligns with your meeting schedule. This is important because it helps you visualize and choose a time that works for everyone involved. Once you find the right date, click on it to open the meeting scheduling options. Next, you'll want to enter a descriptive and succinct name for your meeting in the title field. This should give participants a clear idea of what the meeting is about. A well-thought-out title helps your team members understand the context at a glance. Now it's time to add the relevant participants to your meeting. In the field labeled Invited People, go ahead and type the names or email addresses of those you want to invite. You may want to double-check that you have the correct spellings or email addresses to ensure nobody is left out. After adding the participants, look for the option that says Everyone. Clicking this ensures that all listed participants can see and join the meeting effortlessly. This is crucial for collaboration, as inviting the right people ensures everyone necessary is on the same page. Once you've filled in the title and added your participants, it's time to finalize everything. Look for the Save button, usually located at the bottom right of the scheduling window. Click the Save button to preserve your input. This action will not only save your meeting details, but also send notifications to all invited attendees so they are aware of the meeting. If you need to share the meeting link separately, perhaps via email or messaging, there's a very handy option for that too. Select the Copy option, which allows you to easily grab the meeting link. You can then paste this link into any communication platform you prefer. This step is beneficial if you want to ensure that everyone has quick access to the meeting. And just like that, you've successfully created a meeting agenda in Microsoft Teams. You can now compare this agenda with your plans and ensure everything runs smoothly. Thank you for watching our tutorial on creating a meeting agenda in Microsoft Teams. If this video helped you, remember to like and subscribe for more helpful content like this in the future. Happy meeting planning!